Here's Arizona and Izzy taking a walk outside. And there's Phoenix. It's a family outing in the backyard. What do you think, Arizona? Oops. There goes Phoenix. Okay, girls, let's go. Arizona, I'm gonna follow Izzy.